Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to create a Google Drive link to easily share your files with others. So, let's get started. Step 1. The first step is to log in to your Google account and navigate to Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of Google Drive. Step 2. Locate the file you wish to share. In our case, let's say we want to share a file named thumbnail.pane. Step 3. To create the link for sharing, right-click on the file. A menu will appear, and from there, select Share. Step 4. Once you click Share, a new window will pop up. Here you can choose the sharing settings for the file. You have 3 options. 1. This makes the file accessible to anyone who has the link. 2. You can share the file with specific individuals by entering their email addresses in the Add People and Groups section. 3. Keep the file private and accessible only to yourself. Step 5. After selecting your preferred sharing setting, click on the Copy Link button to copy the link to your clipboard. Simple, right? The link is now ready to be shared. Congratulations! You've successfully created the Google Drive link. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.